everyone, welcome to a new video of sets. We are taking the NCERT textbook and its solutions. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends. Let's see the practice question which you can do for sets. Okay, so first exercise is 1.1. It is from class 11th textbook NCERT. Now the first question is, which of the following are sets? Justify your answer. Okay, the collection of all the months of a year beginning with the letter G. So you have to first make the list of the months starting with G. So let's begin. The first month is January, then comes February, it is not included. March, not included. In that way, if you go, it will be June and July. After that, other months are not available. So these are the list of the months beginning with letter J. So do you consider it as a set? Yes, because you have fixed number of elements in your sets. Let's see the next one. The second one is collection of 10 most talented writers of India. So this is not a countable thing. You cannot say who is more talented, who is less talented. This cannot be put inside a set. So this is not a set. Not a set. Okay. Next one is a team of 11 best batsmen of the world. So again, not countable. So not a set. Then comes the collection of all boys in your class. So your class has boys and girls. So all the boys comes inside that. So it is a set. Then comes collection of all natural numbers less than 100. That can be, natural number starts with 1 and it goes till 99. So again it is a set. This is a set. The collection of novels written by the writer Munshi Premchand. That is also a set because it's a limited number of novels written by Munshi Premchand. Munshi Premchand is the writer who has some novels written by him. So it's a fixed number. The collection of all even integers. So collection of all even integer comes in a set where you have 2, 4, 6, these kind of elements, and you have got -2, -4, -6, 0. These are also elements of your set. So in that case, all these elements are there. So many elements are there. It's not a fixed one. It's infinite, you can say. So this kind of elements we say as it is again a set. Next one is collection of the questions in this chapter. So this chapter, some questions will be there. You can count them. You can put it in that elements list of set. So that is again a set. Next one is a collection of most dangerous animals of the world. So again, most dangerous cannot be having the characteristic what we need. We don't know what does that mean actually. Okay, so you cannot do that in a set. So it's not a set. Go to the next question. A has some elements and insert the appropriate symbol belongs to or not belongs to in the blank spaces. Let's see 5 and 8. If you see 5 belongs to this A set, so say it belongs to. 8 doesn't belong to. You can see 8 here. 0 doesn't belong to. 4 belongs to. 2 belongs to. 10 doesn't belong to. Okay, so this symbol says whether the elements are present in your set or not. Let's go to the third question. Write the following sets in roster form. So you have to write with all the elements. So let's check the first one. So A set has elements. Include the elements. So see here it is starting with -3 till 7 and -3 is included. So let's try -2 minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 is not included since it is this symbol. If you have a equal to symbol, it can be included. Okay, so these are the elements. So this is in the roster form of sets. Next, see B where x is a natural number less than 6. So natural number starts with 1 to 10. So start counting where you will get 8 as the sum of digits. So 11, 10 not possible, 11 not possible, 12 not possible, 13 not possible, 14 not possible. Like that it goes and it reaches till 17. So if you see 17, 7 plus 1 will give you 7 plus 1 will give you the result as 8. So that 17 is included in this set. Okay, then if you go to next 20 list, so 20, 21, 22 like that. So it will be 2, 6, 26 because this is the combination that makes 8. Then comes 35, 44, 53, 62, 71. Okay, also you can include 80 in this list. Okay, but not 8 because 8 is a 1-digit number and this is a 2-digit number. This is giving again you 8 as the result. Next one is D set where x is a prime number which is a divisor of 60. Multiply the prime numbers with 1 and the number itself. Okay, so which is divisor of 60. In that case, divisor of 60, the number included in this list is 2, 3, 5. Other numbers are not included as the element. So this is the result. Then comes set of all letters of the word trigonometry. So write trigonometry in that list. So you will have T R I G O N. O is already included, no need to mention again. Metry M E T already included, R already included, Y. So this is the set that gives you the result of question number 5. Then comes 6. F, the set of all letters of the word better. So better, B E T R. These are the elements. Hope you understood how to write this in roster form. With all the elements included, we call it as a roster form. Okay. Write the following sets in the set builder form. Question number 4. So you have to see the elements and then write a statement in the set builder form. So you can see here it is curly bracket to include the element 3, 6, 9 and 12. 3, 6, 9 and 12 gives you multiple of 3. That is 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. So easily you can write it as a set, name anything, x, where x is a multiple of 3 and the elements are till 12, not after that. So you can write it as less than or equal to. 12 is also included, less than equal to 12. Okay, you can see here this pattern is followed like this: 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 3, 2 raised to 4, 2 raised to 5. So if you see the set builder form would be x, where x is power of or exponent of 2, starting from 0 to 5. Next one is a similar pattern of 5. You can check here 5:1, 5:2, 5:3, 5:4. This is the pattern followed here. Same way, write for 5 also. Then comes 2, 4, 6, and it goes on. So in this one, you can see 2, 4, 6 even numbers. These are even numbers, and or here it is not ending. So it is even natural number. Then comes 149 to till 100. So you can see here the pattern followed is 1, 2 raised to 2, 3 raised to 2, then 4 raised to 2. It goes on till 100, that is 10 square. Okay, so the numbers are in this form. Next question is fifth question. You have element A. Element A is x is an odd natural number. So x is an odd natural number means you can write the elements as 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, like that it goes. Then comes B, that is x is an integer, and this is the range of the values given. Now it is 0.5 till 4.5. You can write it as 0.5, and this is 4.5. Now include the elements in between these, so minus to positives. This is the integer. So when you want to include this, you have to start with 0. That is the next number following 0. Then comes 1, 2, 3, and 4. Don't include both of them because it is not equal to here. Okay, an integer x square less than equal to 4, that is the condition. In that case, x square less than equal to 4. So x less than equal to square root of 4 is less than equal to plus or minus 2, 1 until 2. If it is less than equal to, so this is the elements of your set C. Then comes D. X is letter in the word loyal. So the elements will be LOYA set. Okay. X is a month of the year not having 31 days. So include those months without 31 days. So example would be February, April, June, August, September, and then comes November. English alphabet precedes K. So everything before K can be included in this set. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. Okay. Next one is match each of the following set on the left in the roster form. This is the roster form with all the elements included, with the same set on the right side, right, described in set builder forms. Same thing is given on left and right, but in two different forms. This is set builder form. Sorry, this is roster form. This is set builder form. Match both of them. Let's see with this right side D. Okay, X is a letter of the word mathematics. So MATHE. You can see here on the left hand side we have only one solution with this one, that is third one. So D matches with third, or you can say D matches with third. You can write it here. Then comes the first one. Let's check the first one. X is a prime number and a divisor of 6. So prime number, divisor of 6, 2 and 3. Is the solution in that case. This matches with this 2. Next comes X is an odd number less than 10. So odd number less than 10, 9. Here you can see this is the satisfying roster form. 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7 and 9, because they are odd numbers and less than 10. So B matches with 4. The only remaining is X is a natural number and divisor of 6. All are natural numbers starting with 1, and it goes, divisor of 6 means it goes till 6, 1, 2, 3, 4. 6 is included, no other numbers. It's a divisor of 6. So C matches with the first one. Hope you understood. If you found the video useful, please do like it. subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching.